so excited today to introduce to you our Woodflex wooden wall panels. They're an acoustic flexible wooden wall panel that can be used in either residential or commercial properties, and they are absolutely beautiful. So each panel is 600 millimeters wide. They also come in either 2.4 meters in length or 2.7 meters in length. Our panels are constructed out of actual wood, and each panel is laid in a premium wood veneer. They come in multiple colours, so they come in black, walnut, oak, and then oak comes in either a black backing or in a grey backing, which is really pretty. Each panel is fitted with an acoustic backing, which gives the panels the flexibility to curve around any walls. They're actually really easy to install. So whether you're attaching them to plasterboard, to brick, or even to your ceiling, there's actually two ways that you can attach them. First one is that you can use liquid nails, or you can use screws directly through the backing. Each panel can be cut to any size using a handsaw or a circular saw, or if you need to shorten the width of them, you can just use a Stanley knife and cut through the felt backing. The uniqueness of our Woodflex panels is that they're flexible, they're acoustic, and they're also fire rated. This really is a beautiful product that's exclusive to our company. We invite you to come down to our showroom to view the range, or you can order a sample pack off our website.